I'm taping, but okay. Hopefully getting you. Yeah, definitely getting you. You're so silly. Over, Mama. Over, Mama. You're playing sound. You're playing big sounds. You are playing big sounds. You like that too. Oh, he likes to play make sounds too.
Yeah.
Aw, cuddled on my shoulder. I don't know what I'm taping. I just know I started because I can't see
I
him.
see him in the picture. You can see him cuddle on your shoulder in that picture.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Aww. Aww, cuddles. Aww. Nice cuddle. Aw, Mr. Cuddly. Oh, he loves those bath gloves. He loves them.
They're not bath gloves, they're dog petting gloves.
I know. They don't know what they are, huh? These are dog petting gloves. They're not bath gloves, huh? Oh, yeah, he loves it. You know, he got outside, put him on. Put mine on last night. He's like, ooh, ooh, ooh. And it was like, she's wearing gloves, and I want him. And he got all silly too, and he's playful and pulling at the fingers of all, yeah. Hey, woo! No? You're wagging your tail? Woo! You're wagging your tail? Aw, cuddly. Aw, cuddles. Oh, cuddles. Mr. Cuddly. Mr. Cuddly puppy. You're Mr. Cuddly puppy. I can't get you out. I thought you loved it. You were playing. Aw, you love a cuddle with your mama.